Good morning, sir. My apologies for the delay. I'm having a really bad day. I will tell you how to upload the designs in Merch by Amazon. Okay, so I will be providing you this PDF. It has 10 pages. Each page has the keywords for one design. Okay, and then I will provide you the designs here. They are numbered 1 to 10. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go to Merch by Amazon here. Then you need to click on create product. I'm recording with my phone because my voice will be clear. Okay, then you need to click here, select products. You can upload your design only on one product as you are in tier 10. Then you need to select only the standard t-shirt, this one. Okay, then continue. Then you need to upload the artwork. So you can directly upload the artwork. I will send you. So it's here, the artwork t-shirt 1. Okay, okay, it will take some time. Then you can choose the color and the fit types. So you can choose up to 10 colors. You can choose any color you want, doesn't matter. Okay, 10 colors, that's it. Here you can enter the list price. So if you are planning to buy it yourself, you do it around maybe 1350. That way okay, 1350. If you are planning to buy it yourself, you you get the list price 1350. Okay, you choose the color, you add the design, then you enter the list price. Then you will come here, the keyword section. Okay, so in the PDF I will send you, you need to just copy and do nothing else, just paste design title. Okay, paste. Then brand, here is the brand, you need to paste. Then you need to the feature bullet, you need to just copy it and paste it, that's it. Then you need to feature bullet 2, then paste it. Then is the product description and you need to paste it, that's it. Okay, so as it is a PDF, some these type of problems, the spellings, okay, mistakes might occur. I will send you a document as well. Okay, thank you so much.